Hi guys, I hope we're doing well. Today video we are going to be recreating this shirt in three nice way with two shorts and one trouser. We're going to recreate them in three nice different coolest way. This shirt is amazing shirt as well. Very nice shirt as well with the spider web as well. Nice color, all cool. I pressed them with the iron and I pressed the shorts and the jeans as well with the iron before I get ready. So you too, you need to do the same thing as well. This shirt is amazing shirt. We can keep going in 110 times and million times, but I cut it short the other time. Now I'm recreating them now for you guys to see that the one shirt can go as much as you can, looking nice every day, all time. So we're gonna style them in coolest way. I don't know they're gonna look really cool, but I have the mindset, an idea that they're gonna look amazing. You can go on a day, dinner, brunch, any event in this kind of nice weather because this weather is very cool, summer, nice weather. So you need this kind of shirt in your wardrobe just in case you want to go out or you want to go for dinner, date, brunch, or for holiday. Then you have in your luggage with two shorts and one trousers as well. All cool as well. So my coolest, my nicest. So let's go. First outfit with this shirt is amazing. I like the way he look. Very nice. We put cowboy hats on. Very nice, very cool. Bracelets, wristwatch, ring, necklace. Then again with the Burberry ankle boots on. Amazing. I like the Burberry ankle boots as well. Very cool, very stylish as well. And with the shorts as well. Very nice as well. The short, very cool short. So we press them with the iron. The shirt as well. Press them with the iron. Necklace, all cool. Vibing as well. I like how everything cool with the hat as well. The vibe, the summer vibe. This shirt is amazing. You're gonna looking really cool, really stylish as well. Only what you have to do, you need to press your shirt with the iron, put your rollers on. When you put your rollers on, you smell nice, you smell cool because the vibe is amazing. Me too, I'm kind of happy about these. How everything going cool, vibrant, stylish, all form as well. Look, does it not look cool? It look amazing as well. This shirt, we can style them a million times. They're gonna be looking really cool all the time. This is why I said to you guys, you need to come back for more. You need to come back to this channel because it's amazing. Because the way I style this other one, I'm gonna style them another day, different time, different vibe. Because this shirt, it can go in a million times looking cool, looking stylish. That's why I want you guys to come back for more because these shirts I already styled them before. Go back and watch my videos. I already styled in a nice way. Now I'm recreating them again for you guys in a coolest, stylish, new vibe. The shirt is kind of preview, like kind of before. I got them before, but the way I started them before, that's part. Now this is a new, different look. The other look is amazing. Go and watch my video. You can see how cool, how fresh is it look. And now this is look amazing as well. I can go on a day, dinner, brunch, any event. And you too, you can go on a day, dinner, brunch, any event. Even though all the vibe, this is it. Only what you have to do, press your shirt with the iron. You're looking fresh, you're looking stylish as well. Let me check myself. Does it look cool or no? I like this shirt as well. Very nice shirt. I like it. And with the cowboy hat as well. Very amazing, very stylish. I'm quite happy as well. So let's put our sunglasses on. Let's see how they're gonna look. Are they gonna looking really cool? Yes or no? Look, does it not look cool? It does. I like it. This hat is amazing hat as well. It can go with all different vibe, all different coolest way. Like you're gonna be stand out all the time. Every day you step out. This is really cool. What do you think? Does it look cool? Yes or no? I like it. I'll give you guys 360 again to see how this shirt look with this short. Amazing. Very nice, very cool. I can step out right now. People will give me compliment left or right. And YouTube, they will give you two compliment as well because if you style your own share, it doesn't matter to have the same share I go. The shirts you go in your wardrobe, press them out. Put vest up underneath, then put your shirt on top of it, then you're good to go. Then your short, your socks, and your ankle boot or your sneakers, any either nice shoe you go, make sure you clean them as well before you pull them on because you're gonna looking really cool, really nice as well. So my nicest, let's move on to the next. The second outfit with this spider web shirt as well. I like it. Very cool, very stylish as well. Very nice shirt as well with the short. I like the short as well with the ankle boot. Different one as well, different color, different stylish way. You can see how the shirt turning into different vibe, different stylish, vibrant, nice, cool summer vibe. You can go anywhere with this shirt and you're gonna looking really cool and different color of art as well. Gray one looking really nice as well. I like it. Everything is just nice together. I'm looking like, does it look cool? Yes or no? It does, and it's gonna looking really cool on you. We can keep going. The way the shirt look in 10 time, million time, it's gonna be amazing. And you too, if you got any shirt in your wardrobe, please step out with this shirt as well, or any shirt you go. Press them with the iron. Put your shorts on. Put your socks on. Put your shoes on. Clean your shoe. Looking cool, looking fresh as well. Put your cowboy hat on. If you don't like cowboy hat, that's cool. You can braid your hair, cut your hair, do all nice stuff to your hair. You still look amazing as well. I'm just trying to show you in different vibe. Like the cowboy hat can go with the shirt and short in a nice vibe as well. Does it not look cool? It does, and it's a stylish vibe as well. Look how fresh, how nice this look on me. Amazing. I like this. You know, when I'm looking myself again, like why this looks so cool, the color, the style, and everything, just amazing. I like it. I'm trying to see like does it look cool? I don't even know how the other one, the time when I started this shit, how it look amazing. Look, how it look now as well. Brilliant. That's why I need to let you guys know like the experience is amazing. The way I'm gonna start this shit in another day or another time, it's gonna be even more better, amazing. But now is excellent. Me too, I don't even know because the idea just keep coming. Just nice. I might not be able to start this outside. Just start them here right now. And you guys are the lucky one because I might start something different when I want to step out. This is gone. And you are the lucky one because you can see me right now, you watch me right now. Then if you start there and step out, you're amazing. Because anytime when I think about this shit, there's a different vibe I want to start them with. Then another day, different. But you guys can see now, when you see this one look cool on me, nice vibing, you are the lucky one. And it's gonna looking really cool on you. Don't forget your ring, your bracelet, your wristwatch, your necklace, pull them on. So let's see how they're gonna look with the sunglasses. Does it gonna look really cool, really nice or no? I don't know. Let's see. Because sometimes when you put your sunglasses on, it takes you to different level. Amazing level vibe, coolness, fresh look. This is looking really cool, really stylish in different way. I'm quite happy as well. The way he looked and the way the shirt turned out, the vibe, ass and everything. The cowboy hat bring it to different level and all cool. And the ankle button as well. Burberry, nice one as well. Everything just on point. And I like it. I love the vibe as well. So what do you think? Does it look cool or not? I think it look amazing. So let me start them with my bag again because I want to take it to a different level because Shetty just give me some kind of different vibe that I like. What do you guys think? Does it look cool? This is amazing. I like the vibe. The everything is just cool. Look, I didn't even know to use that sunglasses or this one. I think they look amazing. I like these as well. So they look fresh, they look nice, the shade look amazing, and they're gonna look really amazing on you as well. It doesn't matter to have the same share I go. The share you go in your wardrobe, get them out. You see how a little fresh, stylish as well. The shirt is really cool, really vibrant. I like how everything look very stylish, very cool. I can go anywhere, and you too, you can go anywhere as well. Any share you go in your wardrobe, get them out, press them with the iron. Look cool, look nice as well. Starting the same way I'm styling mine, you can see how cool my look on me. Amazing as well. Yours is going to be looking really cool. And again, if you looking for this shirt, is on board. If you still there, get them medium size. You're going to come back and style it the same way I'm styling mine because you're going to look amazing. You can go any dinner, day, brunch, any event. Even though if you're going for an holiday, you can put them inside your belonging and they're going to look really cool when you get them out. Style them. You're looking vibe. You're looking stylish as well. I like how you look on me. So my coolest, let's move on to the last one. I like the way the outfit look. Very cool, very stylish as well. The spider web shirt is amazing. Boxy shirt, very cool, very nice as well. Very nice. We can keep going and it's going to be looking really cool. really nice as well. With the stray jeans as well, and with the chunky sole logo, very nice, very cool. With the sunglasses on, amazing as well. I like this. This is really looking really smart, sharp, fresh. Experience is amazing. Honestly, the way the shirt looking really cool every time I style them, it's just cool. I'm just feeling the vibe as well. Amazing. I can go anywhere now and people will give me company dinner, day, brunch, any event because this shirt is too cool. It's too nice. We can keep going. I told you guys because the shirt is cool and his experience is amazing. So we can keep going in an amazing way and it's going to be looking really fresh every time I style them. Look, does it not look cool? It look amazing. One of the shirt like you can never get rid of. It just look cool every day you put them on. Anytime, any day. Amazing shirt as well. Only what you have to do, press them with the iron. You're good to go. You're gonna be fresh. You're gonna be nice. I like the vibe. I'm kind of looking like I'm not regretting when I'm holding this shirt as well because I was thinking like you might not you might not know like get the vibe how to style them because it go kind of different nice spider web print on all the way. So you have to look kind of think popular like these shades is gonna look really cool because of the paint or the color. But when I got them, but something came to my mind like do this way, start them this way. And I don't even know how they're gonna turn out until when I'm looking myself in the mirror, like, wow, this is cool. This is nice. I was like, I like this shirt. I'm gonna keep this shirt for as long as I can. And I think about it the other day, like I think I need to restart the shirt as well, recreate them for you guys to see how cool it is. And I'm quite happy I did that for you guys because me too, I'm kind of happy with myself. Like, this is really cool, really nice as well and with a cowboy hat as well. It just makes sense. Trust me. It cool in different form. I can't lie you. I like the vibe. Look, the print at the back as well. All kind of different look this outfit giving me. And I like the shirt as well. This summer vibe, it's cool, fresh, nice, all form. You're gonna be looking really cool. So which one do you think you like most? The outfit that stand out more. We know we create the shirt. The shirt is not with the short first one, the second one, or the last one. Which one do you think is looking really cool? For me, I think they're all looking really cool in different way. Nice, smart, fresh vibe, summer. I like them. I can't pick anything. I can't pick anyone because they look cool to me in different form. So if I pick one, what about the two? If I pick two, what about the last one? What about the first one? So they're all kind of nice, and I'm quite happy the way they look. Very cool, very fresh, nice vibe as well. Let me see. They're gonna still look nicer with my bag as well because this bag just give me all kind of different joy, like vibing, all kind of nice. Let me see, eco and the lime green as well, vibing together. So cool, stylish. I like this. This is really cool. So I'm quite happy. I show you guys like the vibe of the shades as well. So you have to decide, pick one that the shade make it stand out more. The first, the second, the last one. For me, they all look amazing as well. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video to the loved one, family and friend, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you. Lovely, amazing, cool, beautiful, handsome people another day. Take care.